In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form for Trello. We'll do this by adding a Trello power-up that lets you collect responses through a form and send them straight to your board as cards. Before we start, make sure you're signed into Trello and that you have permission to manage power-ups on the board you'll be using. Some organizations limit which power-ups can be installed, and certain features may require a paid plan. First, head to your Trello boards page. This is the hub where all your boards live. Pick the board where you want form submissions to appear. It's a good idea to double check that this is truly the board you want to populate because the power up will be tied to this specific board. Once you're inside the board, open the power up section. You'll typically find this in the board menu. If your layout looks a little different, don't worry. Trello updates the interface from time to time, but the power ups option will still be accessible from the board's menu area. Next, choose Add Power Ups to open Trello's directory. This is where you can browse and install tools that extend your board's functionality. In the search field, type Google Forms Sync. Spelling doesn't have to be perfect, but get close so the right option appears. When you see Google Forms Sync in the results, take a moment to confirm it's the one you want by checking the name and description. Click Add on the Google Forms Sync power-up. Trello may ask you to approve permissions. This step connects the power-up to your board so it can create and manage the link between your form and Trello cards. After that, you'll likely see a second Add or Enable button. Click Add again to finish enabling it on the board. Think of the first add as installing the tool and the second as turning it on. That's it. The power-up is now available on your board. You should see its icon or menu entry, usually at the top of the board or within the power-up section. From here, the power-up will guide you through creating or connecting a form and mapping responses to your lists and fields. A quick tip: plan the information you want to collect ahead of time, like title, description, labels, or due dates, so your submissions turn into well-structured cards. If you ever need to disable or remove the power-up, you can return to the Power-Ups menu and manage it there. You've successfully set up the foundation for creating a form in Trello using Google Forms Sync. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.